This dog was not bred for companionship. It was engineered for utility. In 1899, one man began a biological experiment to build the most efficient working canine the world had ever seen. That experiment became the German Shepherd. Captain Max von Stephanitz didn't want a beautiful dog. He wanted a tool. His rule was simple: utility first. Everything else is secondary. He consolidated fragmented herding bloodlines into a single standardized platform. Every trait had to justify its existence. If it didn't improve performance, it didn't stay. This wasn't evolution. This was engineering applied to biology. Look at the frame. The deep chest isn't aesthetic. It increases lung capacity and oxygen efficiency. The sloped back and extended stride aren't stylistic. They allow a ground-covering trot, a low-energy gait that can be sustained for hours. While other breeds burn fast, the German Shepherd endures. Its shoulder assembly absorbs shock across uneven terrain. Its tendon and ligament structure distributes force efficiently. It was built to patrol, to track, to persist. This is an endurance platform disguised as a dog. Then there's the sensor system. Inside that elongated muzzle are roughly 225 million scent receptors. But raw numbers don't explain it. The German Shepherd doesn't just smell, it isolates. It can filter one chemical signature from layers of environmental noise. Explosives, narcotics, human scent. It detects concentrations measured in parts per trillion. That's not instinct. That's biological signal processing. The eyes are forward-focused and alert, tracking movement even in low light. The ears funnel acoustic data while staying protected in confrontation. Together, they form a mobile intelligence unit. When detection becomes engagement, the system shifts. The average bite force is around 238 psi. But force isn't the defining trait. Control is. The Shepherd uses a full-mouth bite-and-hold technique, locking and stabilizing rather than striking chaotically. It neutralizes movement without unnecessary damage. Power with precision. But the real weapon isn't physical. It's cognitive. The German Shepherd was bred for bidability, the ability to execute complex commands under stress. It can move from high arousal pursuit to complete stillness on a single verbal cue. That transition speed is rare. It processes multiple inputs at once: handler commands, environmental variables, threat assessment, and adapts in real time. Think of it as a living processor. High output, low latency. But every high-performance system has trade-offs. The same skeletal angulation that enables endurance can create hip and elbow vulnerabilities. High intelligence without structured work can turn into destructive behavior. Energy without purpose becomes instability. This breed doesn't just need exercise. It needs mission, daily conditioning, mental stimulation, clear structure. Without it, performance degrades. That's why, more than a century later, the German Shepherd remains the global standard. Fast enough to intercept, strong enough to control, intelligent enough to adapt. It isn't specialized for just one role. It's a universal platform, a biological system engineered from the ground up for operational success. Von Stephanitz didn't just create a breed. He built a machine.